If you're seeing the no results found error while trying to add music to your Instagram stories, follow these clear steps to fix the issue. First of all, you have to check your region settings. Instagram Music Library is available based in certain regions, so make sure that your account location settings align with the region that has the music access. So go to Settings, scroll down and go to Account, type in Tools, and then switch account type to ensure that you're not a professional account that limits music access. Now try updating the application. An outdated version of the app might not support music features. Open the App Store or Play Store according to your device. Click on the search bar, type in Instagram, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, tap on it to update it to its latest version. And then try switching the internet connections. Your current network may be blocking access, so try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, and then clear the DNS cache by toggling the airplane mode on or off. You can also try clearing the cache on your device. For that, you have to go to System Settings first, scroll down and go to Apps. From here, search for Instagram application. Once you find it, scroll down and go to its storage and then click on Clear Cache. iOS users may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to achieve similar results, or they can also try offloading the application. After that, refresh your session to fix the temporary glitches, log out of your account, wait for a few minutes, and then log back in. Reinstalling the application can also help you ensure that you have the latest version and can fix deeper issues. So uninstall the Instagram, restart your device, and then reinstall the app. You can also try logging into your different Instagram account on the same device to see if the issue persists. If it works on another account, there may be a specific restrictions on your main account. And furthermore, you can contact the Instagram support for better assistance. And if the error still continues, use a third-party app like InShot to edit your story with the music, or you can also use the CapCut application and then upload it directly to Instagram. By following the simple steps, you should be able to resolve the problem with no results found issue and access the Instagram's music library for your stories. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.